In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send high-quality photos via WhatsApp on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then head over to Chats. After that, enter a conversation, and normally when we send a photo to someone, we tap at plus, select photos, and then we select a photo and then hit send. In this case, if we act in that way, it will send a photo, but highly likely it will compress it to reduce the photo size to send it quicker and to save your traffic. And you know, guys, that in most cases it should be so, because this way allows you to save your data and to send your images quicker. However, if you would like to send an image in the highest possible quality, you need to act in a different way. So guys, you need to tap at this plus and then select document instead of photos. Once you tap at document, tap at choose photo or video. It will open up your camera roll, and then you can just select a photo and then hit send. That will send a photo or a video as a file, which means that it will be sent in the highest possible quality. After that, the user that gets our media file, they can open it up, hit share, and then tap at save image. If they tap at save image, the image will be saved to their camera roll as an image. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.